Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover ocean currents, tides, coral reefs, continental shelf and EEZ. Complete study notes on oceanography, warm and cold currents, types of tides, coral reefs, continental shelf, and exclusive economic zone, EEZ. Essential for Kerala PSC Graduate Level exams. 1. Ocean currents overview. Feature. Detail. Definition. Large-scale continuous movement of ocean water in a definite direction. Caused by wind, temperature differences, salinity differences, Earth's rotation, Coriolis effect, shape of coastlines. Coriolis effect. Deflects currents to the right in northern hemisphere, to the left in southern hemisphere. Continuing 1. Ocean currents overview. Warm currents. Flow from equator towards poles, raise temperature of coast. Cold currents. Flow from poles towards equator, lower temperature of coast. 2 major warm currents. Current. Ocean. Gulf Stream. Atlantic. North Atlantic Drift. Atlantic. Brazilian Current. Atlantic. Continuing 2. Major warm currents. Mozambique Current. Indian. Agulhas Current. Indian. Kuroshio, Japan Current. Pacific. North Equatorial Current. All 3 oceans. Continuing 2. Major warm currents. South Equatorial Current. All 3 oceans. Alaska Current. Pacific. 3 major cold currents. Current. Ocean. Labrador Current. Atlantic. Canary Current. Atlantic. Benguela Current. Atlantic. Continuing 3. Major cold currents. Falkland Current. Atlantic. Oyashio-Kamchatka Current. Pacific. California Current. Pacific. Peru-Humboldt Current. Pacific. Continuing 3. Major cold currents. West wind drift, Antarctic circumpolar. Southern Ocean. 4 effects of ocean currents. Effect. Example. Warming of coasts. Gulf Stream keeps Western Europe warm despite high latitude. Cooling of coasts. Peru Current keeps Peru-Chile coast cool and dry. Fog formation. Warm and cold current meeting Grand Banks, Labrador plus Gulf Stream. Continuing 4. Effects of ocean currents. Rich fishing grounds. Where warm and cold currents meet Grand Banks, coast of Japan. Desert formation. Cold currents along west coasts, Atacama, Peru Current, Namib, Benguela Current. El Nano. Warming of Eastern Pacific, weakening of Peru Current, global weather disruption. La Nina. Opposite of El Nano, strengthening of cold conditions in Eastern Pacific. 5 tides. Concept. Detail. Definition. Periodic rise and fall of sea level caused by gravitational pull of Moon and Sunday. Primary cause. Moon's gravitational pull, Moon is closer, so stronger tidal effect than Sun. Sun's tidal force. About 46% of Moon's tidal force. Continuing 5. Tides. Tidal cycle. Approximately 12 hours 25 minutes between successive high tides. High tide. Water level rises to maximum. Low tide. Water level falls to minimum. Type. Cause. Continuing 5. Tides. Spring tide. Sun, Moon, and Earth in a line, SYZYGY. Neap tide. Sun and Moon at right angles to Earth, quadrature. Perigean tide. Moon closest to Earth, perigee. Apogean tide. Moon farthest from Earth, apogee. Continuing 5. Tides. Navigation. Ships enter-leave harbors during high tide. Fishing. Tidal zones rich in marine life. Tidal energy. Potential renewable energy source, example, Gulf of Kutch in India. Cleaning. Tides flush out river mouths and harbors. 6. Coral reefs. Feature. Detail. Formed by coral polyps, tiny marine organisms that secrete calcium carbonate. Require warm water, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, shallow depth, less than 50 m, clear saline water, adequate sunlight. Cannot grow in fresh water, deep water, muddy polluted water, cold water. Continuing 6. Coral reefs. Type. Description. Fringing reef. Attached to shore, no lagoon or narrow lagoon. Barrier reef. Separated from coast by wide, deep lagoon. Atoll. Ring-shaped reef enclosing a lagoon, no central island. Continuing 6. Coral reefs. Location. Type. Gulf of Kutch. Fringing reef. Gulf of Mannar. Fringing reef. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fringing reef. Continuing 6. Coral reefs. Lakshadweep Islands. Atolls. Olk Bay. Patchy reef. 7. Continental shelf, slope, and ocean floor. Zone. Depth. Continental shelf. 0 to about 200 meters, continental slope. 200 meters to about 3000 meters, continental rise. 3000 meters to about 5000 meters. Continuing 7. Continental shelf, slope, and ocean floor. Abyssal plain. 3000 meters to 6000 meters, ocean trenches. Beyond 6000 meters, mid-ocean ridges. Variable. 8. Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. Concept. Detail. Defined by UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, 1982. Territorial sea. Up to 12 nautical miles from baseline. Contiguous zone. 12 to 24 nautical miles. Continuing 8. Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. EEZ. Up to 200 nautical miles from baseline. Rights in EEZ. Sovereign rights over natural resources, fishing, mining, oil gas, not full sovereignty. High seas. Beyond 200 nautical miles, open to all nations. Continental shelf claim. Can extend up to 350 nautical miles if geological criteria met. Continuing 8. Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. India's EEZ. Approximately 2.02 million SQ km. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.